everyone, this is video for grade 4 subject EVS. In this video, we have already started our 6th chapter, Omna's journey. So let's revise what we have already discussed. Okay, so we have discussed these things. Chapter number 6, Omna's journey. Omna and her best friend Radha. Who is the best friend of Omna? Radha is the best friend of Omna. Omna and Radha were very excited because they are going for a trip. Okay, they are going for the train trip together. So that's why Omna and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. कहाँ जा रहे थे? They are going for the Kerala. So underline these words. Okay. Omna was going to her grandmother's house. Omna कहाँ जा रही थी? She was going to her grandmother's house, and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. वो holiday के लिए जा रही थी और ओमना जो थी वो अपने grandmother के घर जा रही थी. Omna's father had gone to train tickets for both the families. Okay, now. Then just 2 days before the journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured. अब क्या हुआ? Radha fell down and from her bicycle and got fractured in her right leg. Underline these words. Which leg Radha got fractured? तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? Her right leg. Her leg was not put. Okay. Her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. How many weeks she cannot move her legs for 6 weeks? So underline this word also. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets because obviously without Radha the family cannot go. So that's why they canceled the trip. The two friends were very sad. Obviously, first they are very excited. Now they are very sad because they cannot go together in the train trip. They had made so many plans about they would go together. They are going to together and do so many things. They have already planned about that. But what will happen? Radha was fell down and got fractured in her right leg. Then Amma an idea. Omna, why don't you write everything about your trip in a diary? Now, whose mother suggests to Omna? Radha's Amma. Amma means mother. Radha's Amma had an idea. She suggests to Omna that she should write a diary. All the things which she going to observe, she needs to write down in the diary for the Radha. So, Omna, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Then, when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This way, you will not forget everything and it will help you to pass the time on the train. Okay, so Kerala is maximum, it will take 2 days for reach to the Kerala. So, how she will going to passing her time? So, she will write the diary for the Radha. Omna went home and found a notebook with a blank pages to write all about her journey. Here, some of the pages Omna's diary you can read. अभी ये pages का format देखो. This is the format of diary. Okay, ये diary में लिखी हुई चीजें आपको बता रहे हैं. Okay, now let's see Omna's diary. अभी 16th में, please remember these dates. Dates आपको 3 chapters are based on this Omna's journey. So remember all these things. Okay, ये आपको याद रखनी है डेट सारी. This is 16th May. From 16th May, they are started their journey. As soon we reached at the station, we checked our names on the reservation seats. Okay, so they have already reserved मतलब they booked the ticket for that. उन लोग ने अपनी tickets को क्या कर दिया था? Book कर दिया था. Okay, now reservation chart. So they are paste the chart of the reservation seats on the compartment of the trains, and they need to check their names should be there or not. So they are checking their names on the reservation charts. Soon the train reached at the platform. We saw that the coach was already full. Coach मतलब the compartment, जो बोलते हैं ना उसका जो डब्बा होता है ट्रेन का डब्बा वो already full था. The train has started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kutch. कहाँ से start हुई? Please underline. वो कहाँ से start हुई थी? That is started from the Gandhidham. Gandhidham, which is located in Kutch. So please underline this word. Okay, so Gandhidham in Kutch. When the train came, there was so much confusion. We are getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage. Meaning of luggage, the suitcases they have, that is known as luggage. So they are putting their luggage from the one door. So that's why so much confusion was there created. Okay, now next is, we somehow managed to get in, find our seats, put our luggage under them. By the time train started, most of people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. Okay, so they managed to go inside the train and find out their seats. After they find out that seats, arrange the luggage. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets. Abhi kya hua? Ticket collector, what is the work of ticket collector? टिकट कलेक्टर का काम होता है कि वो टिकट चेक करता है और उनको सीट्स प्रॉपर मिली है कि नहीं, दे विल चेक इट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है came and checked our tickets to see that we are on the proper seats or not. So this is the work of the ticket collector. Underline these lines. Then Amma and Appa had lower berth. Now meaning of berth. As we have discussed in our online classes, berth means the bed which is inside the train, that is known as berth. So lower berth, middle berth and upper berth. Three types of berths are here. That lower berth, upper berth and the middle berth. So Anni and I. Anni is the brother of the Omna and they will have a middle berth. Okay, कौन सी मिली थी? अन्नी एंड ओमना को मिडिल बर्थ मिली थी. Then there are two college students who have upper berths. On the other berths, there is a family with no children. Amma and Appa got lower berth. Anni and Omna got the middle berth, and two college students have upper berths. Okay, so there is a family with two children. Now they have four people in the family. Omna's family has four people: Omna, Anni, and their Amma and Appa. Okay, so same two children. There is a family with two children are there. They seems to be about our age. मतलब जो अन्नी और ओमना की जो एज थी वही एज के चिल्ड्रन उस फैमिली में थे. I will go and talk to them later. Now I'm sitting near to the window. I am starting writing about our journey. Just as had I promised you. I will stop now because Amma has opened the tiffin box. Amma had just packed a lot of food, dhokla and chutney, lemon rice and some mithai. My mouth is watering. I will write more later. अब क्या हुआ कि ओमना ने लिखना बंद कर दिया because it is lunch time or maybe she feel hungry. So she has stopped the writing. Okay, now next is, okay, these questions I will provide you answer of these questions and we will discuss in our online classes. Okay, so next on the 16th May only, after lunch, some people slept, but I was not sleepy. I kept looking out of the window. I saw many fields. Okay, now what do you mean by fields? A field which is, okay, the particular place. A particular place is known as field. यहाँ पे देखो borders are there and these particular field is particular place is known as field. Okay, after lunch, some people slept, but I was not sleepy. I kept looking out the window. I saw many fields, but they were brown and dry. Okay, so you can see these at the picture. These brown fields are there, particular place that is known as field, but all are brown and dry. Okay, underline these what which type of fields she has shown in from the window. The brown and dry field she has observed. Sometimes we pass the small villages. They seems to be flying by. ट्रेन की इतनी स्पीड होने की वजह से जो छोटे छोटे विलेजेस भाग रहे थे, मतलब वो उड़ के जा रहे थे. they are so in speed, so that's why the villages are flying. Do you know what when the train at very high speed things outside be running in the opposite directions? Okay, तो वो क्या करते हैं, opposite directions में move करते हैं. Okay, earlier it was really hot. Now it is evening. There is some breeze. मतलब breeze मतलब अभी थोड़ी सी ठंडी हवा चलने लगी. Breeze मतलब जो cool air होती है ना, उसको बोलते हैं. जो ठंडी हवा चलने लगती है, that is known as breeze. Please underline this word, breeze. Okay, earlier that was hot. Now in the evening that is breeze मतलब ठंडी हवा भी चलने लगी. Okay, now the sun is slowly setting and the sky has become orange. Obviously now the sun set, that's why the sky became orange now. Okay, now I have never seen it look like this in Ahmedabad. Now they are in passing from the Ahmedabad. We have just passed a station called Valsad. The train stopped for only 2 minutes at the Valsad. At Valsad, how many times the train will stop? तो यहाँ पे लिखोगे in Valsad the stop only for 2 minutes. Okay, but even short of the time there was so much noise. Chai, garma garam chai. One man was calling batata vada, batata vada. So that is crowd in the railway station. You must have observed the scenario of the railway station. There is so much crowd and the salesmen are coming and they are selling their products. So here some products are given like batata vada and garma garam chai will selling by the particular person. Okay, puri shak, doodh, thanda doodh, they all are the typical words they are using for selling their products. People were selling and buying the food from the platform. We are quickly bought some bananas and chikus through the window itself. Within a 2 minutes, they have buy some bananas and chikus through the window itself. So this is about the from the window what she has observed from the window. And at the platform Valsad उन्होंने क्या खरीदा? Please underline also this things कि they quickly bought some bananas and chikus from the Valsad platform. Okay, thank you.